Start it right now.
Hey YouTube, this is my birthday's fireworks, and my dad's about to light them all up. Here we go.
Okay, start it.
We're starting out with the simple ones. That's nothing. We're gonna get more, trust me, guys.
Come on. Did you pause it?
No, I can't pause it. Here we go. Okay, we're going a little bigger, I think. Believe. No. I'm trying to get this.
No, they're up there, you guys. We can move up.
Okay, this should be like 2 minutes, I'm guessing. This video.
Oh, I'm gonna play that.
Those are Roman candles he's doing. Before you leave this video, guys, I promise you, it'll get a little better. Oh, I think this might be one of those. This is a good one, guys. Trust me. There's a good one.
Are you scared, Noah?
Whoa, beautiful! And before you guys think I'm a spoiled brat, I'm not. These are actually cheap. Plus, around my birthday, it's a 2-for-1 deal, so it's double.
Yeah, did that one explode on purpose, or was that by
Yes,
accident?
that was on purpose.
Oh, okay.
It's my friend. No, you can't see him. You can hear him.
God, you want to come around for the eye?
You might be able to see his hand out now. But of course, guys, this is dark, so. Oh, here we go. Oh, this is a good one. Yeah, these are good, guys.
Yes! Oh my God. Yes! That's scary. That's fun. That's cool.
There's one thing that are bad in these, but that's it, guys. So, it's gonna get good.
There it goes.
Whoa, that was bright. Oh crap, it's gonna take forever to get through.
That is
It takes like
cool.
5 minutes, so
Guys, do
just for
not
like
close your
a
eyes.
20-second video.
Try closing your eyes once and stare at the fireworks.
How do you stare at the fireworks and your eyes are closed?
Oh, you can see the color
Okay,
in your eye.
I believe we're going to a good one. I'm not sure.
The whole entire thing, all you can
But
see.
actually, I think they're doing bottle rockets again.
Oh, they're doing more donuts. That's something we don't. It's Roman candle. What? Roman candles.
Okay, guys, when this gets to the bottle rockets, those aren't so good, so I'm just gonna make a part 2 to this video. So if these are bottle rockets, I'll show you a couple, and then I'm gonna, since this is already gonna take forever to upload, so
You can hold.
it's gonna be a part 1, part 2, guys.
But you have to put it in a bottle and it shoots out flaming balls.
Oh, yeah.
And they're different colors.
Joe did it. This guy finds this, he's like a firework thing, and he finds this big,
Okay, rate, comment, subscribe.